How to use Twic card for TSA Precheck. Find the CIN number on the back of your Twic card. When booking a flight, enter the CIN number in the Known Traveler Number field. Save the CIN number in the frequent flyer profile for future use. Double check the CIN number before finalizing your reservation. If you forget to add it, call the airline before check-in to add TSA Precheck to your boarding pass. Use the TSA Precheck lane at the airport. Enjoy faster and easier security screening. Remember, you don't need to pay for TSA Precheck. It's included with your Twic card. Hope you understood the topic. That's a very easy topic. Thanks for watching the video.